True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, right now I am in St. Elizabeth. I'm gonna make a turn, right turn in EXTON. Yeah man, so we're up on the south side in St. Elizabeth. So we're gonna make a tour in EXTON. So this channel is all about Jamaica, our beautiful island. You know a lot about Jamaica on this channel, guys. So EXTON is very close to Junction. It's about 6 minutes drive to Junction. If you make the left turn, it will take you all to Ridge. And you know, Junction is a very nice area. Junction town is very clean also. So big up on yourself anywhere you know I watch from. Yeah, and abroad you can big up on yourself. Yeah man, just wanna say thank you again for stopping by. So this is your tour guide, Fire Reid. So guys, you can tell me what you think about this area. Sometimes we only hear about this place, we never get the chance to see it. So take a view of this area. Leave in the comment section and tell me what you think. Yeah man, so you're going to interact on the channel, because we know we love our beautiful island Jamaica, you know. And we are gonna tour this place and show the people them who are going all over the place. So yeah man, like up the video, free of cost, just like up the video man, free of cost. One thing I love about this area, they have a lot of corner shop, a lot of bars. So you know people do them small business just to earn a living. So big up on yourself, big up on yourself. So I'm taking you on the countryside driving. A lot of people forget about the country. Yeah man, so I'm showing you how I go up on the countryside, you know. Some people always showing the town side, but I'm showing you the countryside, and you will see the beauty in the country. You know, country have everything. Sometimes you can't watch the road condition. Road condition can a bit bad, but you know sometimes always lead you to some nice places. Don't look on the road condition. So if I see any houses or land for sale, I will also let you know. Yeah, man. So yes, with people, I see some beautiful coconut tree, mango tree. You know, say I saw mango season now, close to May time. May, also mango and crab season. So I'm taking you out to bottom EXTON. Yeah, man. So when you're in St. Elizabeth, you can tour a lot of different attractions. You can tour the YS Falls, the Safari. Also you can tour Pelican Bar, also Jack Sprat. A lot of different places in St. Elizabeth you can tour. Yes, with people, a lot of different places, you know, St. Elizabeth. St. Elizabeth, nice. Yeah, man. Also, you can take a tour into the Manchester side. You can tour Guts River. Also, you can tour Alligator Pond if you love the water. Wash off yourself. No, so we have some dry weather in Jamaica right now. A lot of dry weather. We not get no rain. Not get no rain at all. So you can leave in the comment section if you want me to visit an area. You can send out your requests. If I have the time, I will do that video for you. Yeah, because a lot of requests are out there for me, but I'm taking it one day at a time. My people, showing what I go on same way. Love what I do. I love my people them who support the channel. Also, this area is a farming area. You know them farm them cabbage, tomato, callaloo, sweet pepper. When you come on the south side of St. Elizabeth, Skelion, them places you can check for no seasoning, like thyme and them thing there. This is the right place you can come, guys, on the south side. Yeah man, so when I drive in Jamaica, I must always blow the horn, going around corner. Yeah man, because there are some lot of different type of people. Like bike guys, some crazy car driver, when them a drive, they don't take no check on the road for other users. So now if you be careful for them people there. So we are now at the Morningside Primary School. So we are now Morningside is very close to the Red Bank area. So guys, thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.